Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Nokia 4.2. For that we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. You will find it down the phone, and to remove that one you have to remove it first, the plastic here, to have the pin. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, very nice at the SIM tray is that you can enter 2 SIM cards if you want at the same time. So but let us start with the first SIM card. You will put it here in the middle, like this. So missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want to enter a second SIM card, you can put it like this on the top, and also missing corner, and the contacts are also below. It has to look like that then. And if you want to extend the internal storage with the SD card, you can put it here on the back like this. And that combination you just insert in the phone like this, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.